everybody, I'm Aisha Tyler and I'm super excited to show you around my downtown Los Angeles loft. I bought it and I did a total renovation with an amazing design team, and we turned it into something, you know, I think pretty special, and I'm really excited to kind of show you guys around. This is a really cool old building. It's over 100 years old and it's got a lot of amazing industrial details. And we built an entirely new kitchen. So it's a combination of kind of like old world vibes and modern vibes. Also, I may or may not cook at all. But I want to have an impressive kitchen in case my friends come over so that I can get something delivered and act like I cooked it. But I do love this kitchen. I love this counter. It's a great place to hang out, talk with friends, and there's a lot of really great storage in here. This is my favorite part of the kitchen, and I'm going to show you why, guys. I love secrets, and here's the best one, the coffee nook. When I talked to my designers about this kitchen, I was like, I love to drink coffee. When I go to bed at night, I think to myself, I can't wait to wake up and drink coffee. And so they built this amazing coffee nook for me that's so pretty to look at. And sometimes I make tea, but not that often, because I'm serious about my life. This is the very first poster run that I did for the first movie that I directed. So this was such an incredible time in my life, my very first feature film, and launched my directing career. So it's just nice to have it. It says an Aisha Tyler film right there in case I ever forget. This is probably the pièce de résistance of my place. My designers built this custom bar for me. It's so beautiful. It has this warm, inviting feeling to it. All of my bottles look so fancy, especially the ones along the bottom, because this is my line of cocktails. And it gives the whole apartment this really golden, beautiful glow. So we leave the bar area, we come into the living space. It's an open space. There are very few walls, so I wanted to create some silent workspaces. So I put in these two work pods. A lot of my friends say that my house looks like a work share office, and I say, hate much? So this space is, for me, the best combination of work and relaxation. Because I work in film and television, I wanted a space where I could watch movies and really feel like I was getting a cinematic experience. And so I really created an environment here where I could chill, put my feet up, vibe out on films, and then run in there and write one. I guess we could call this space the lounge area. So I really love nature tones. I think you've seen that's like a theme here. I told my designers that I really wanted a feel of like desert punk, right? Something that had like really natural tones, felt a little edge. So lots of neutral tones. And then this picture of me with a bloody nose from the photo shoot for my second book, Self-Inflicted Wounds. One of the high points of my creative career, writing a book about how failure makes you tough. So I've talked a lot about relaxing. My life is super hectic, and one thing I love to do is relax over a great cocktail, so why don't I make you one? So I thought I would make you guys a nice, classy margarita from my new cocktail line, Losophē, which is a super premium line of ready-to-drink, organic cocktails. So the way that you make a Losophē margarita is that you get some ice. Doesn't have to be this fancy. I don't know why I think I'm so special. You open the bottle and you pour it out. Now, you could garnish it. And now that you have your fantastic margarita in hand, which you expended almost no effort making, let me show you into the bedroom. This is the primary suite. This is the sanctuary. I love this space. It's got this beautiful brick wall, which is a part of the original architecture of this building, and it really gives this apartment a New York vibe, which I love. My designers created this really gorgeous array of textiles that is just about relaxation, quality sleep, and just a soothing experience when you walk into the bedroom. It just makes you relax. I love this chair, this owl chair I got 15 years ago. She lived in my dressing room at the Talk, and I sat in her every day when I did that show. Everything you acquire in your life has a story, and they're sometimes more exciting than getting something brand new and fancy. So this chair is a really nice place to sit and read, or perhaps enjoy a margarita. Thank you so much for hanging out with me in my downtown Los Angeles loft. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you get yourself a losophē margarita very soon. And if you do, hashtag me.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.